Welcome to the Zimbabwe New Resort, where our 100 kWh solar system shines bright. Installed on a flat roof, these solar panels generate 500-600 kWh daily, powered by 600W N-type monocrystalline Longi silicon panels. Rest assured, any panel issues are swiftly replaced at no cost. Meet our robust 100 kWh 3-phase inverter with transformer design, tailored for Zimbabwe's unpredictable power grid, capable of handling all inductive loads with ease. Introducing our lithium batteries with a secure door design for enhanced durability and seamless communication with the inverter. Witness the STS switch seamlessly toggling between the solar system and diesel generator, ensuring continuous power supply. Guiding the way, our local engineer is well-versed in Tanfon's product performance and installation techniques, ensuring a seamless setup tailored to your needs. Join us as we illuminate the path to sustainable energy solutions. Together, let's power a brighter tomorrow.